Hey guys, welcome back. Assalamu alaikum. Once we're talking about LUNC, talking about the weekly, there's been so much that's happened. We've gotten beaten down right at 13447. We're down 3.69%. Let's look at our weeklies. So on the weekly, it is still strongly negative, going from 2997 on the MACD to 3248. If you look over on the KDJ right here, we were so close to the J crossing over. And if that J had crossed over, we would have seen, as you can see the last time we crossed over, we would have seen that run up. That's why I was so excited for this week. So it's very frustrating to see this occur. And I know it's a lot of it contributes to the news that's been going on, but that doesn't matter right now. What matters is that we still have 2 more days to see if we can fix things. So jumping over to the 1 day, let's see how things are progressing. So over here on the 1 day as well, we can see that we had that chance. We had that flip on the J, possibly pushing upward. And then all of a sudden, again, that crash that brought us down a whole 7.5%. Now, despite this, switching over to the MACD here, we can see we're going from 545 to 548 today. There is a chance, and I don't want to say there's a chance of recovering the weekly, but there's a chance of pushing back upward towards the 114 to 16 range. And it entirely depends on how the next 8 to 16 hours go. So with that being said, let's jump over to the 8-hour mark. So the 8-hour, as you can see on the MACD, has gone from 340 to currently 280. So one, this is not a guarantee. As you can see here, about 3 days ago, we had 327 and we went to 302. Now, despite that, we still went further negative. The reason being is that a lot of things happen in threes. So we need that pattern to be consistent. So if this is going to be our first day upward, we need tomorrow. So that final day on Wednesday, we need that Wednesday to push upward. So it's a very good sign. The MACD has jumped quite a lot. So that's a very good sign. That's only because we're up 3.43% and there's a chance we can go further down. If we jump over to the RSI here, we can see the RSI is actually pushing upward here. As well as I imagine on the KDJ, again, we can see that J starting to push back upward. There is a chance, and there's a strong chance we will close this candle up. The resistance at 13581 is pushing us down. If you look, so there's an orange line. If you look, we have not been able to break this resistance. Not since December 16th, in fact. It's been a hard struggle pushing us down. So the chance of it breaking today is not likely. And we don't need to, though. What we do need to do is close very close to it. So we want to close around 135 tomorrow in about 15 hours, inshallah. So with that is the entire week. I will update again tomorrow when we close. Wish us luck, inshallah.